Hello and welcome to Babycareus. If you are a new mom and feeling confused or nervous about breastfeeding, this video is just for you. Breastfeeding is natural, but it is also a learned skill. With the right guidance and a little patience, you and your baby can breastfeed comfortably and confidently. Let's start step by step. First, choose a comfortable position. You can sit upright, lie on your side, or use a nursing chair. Make sure your back is supported and your shoulders are relaxed. Keep your baby close to you, facing your body completely. Remember, your baby's tummy should touch your tummy. Next is positioning your baby correctly. Your baby's head, neck, and body should be in a straight line. Bring your baby to your breast, not your breast to the baby. Support your baby's neck and shoulders gently, allowing the head to tilt slightly back. Now let's talk about latching. A good latch is the key to pain-free breastfeeding. Gently touch your nipple to your baby's upper lip. This will encourage your baby to open their mouth wide. When the mouth is open wide, bring your baby quickly onto the breast. The baby should take not only the nipple but also a good part of the areola into the mouth. During feeding, check if the latch is correct. Your baby's chin should touch the breast, lips should be flanged outward, and you should hear slow swallowing sounds. Breastfeeding should feel like a gentle pulling sensation, not pain. If you feel pain, gently break the latch and try again. Let your baby feed as long as they want on one breast before switching to the other. This helps your baby get both foremilk and hind milk, which is rich in fat and essential for growth. After feeding, gently burp your baby by holding them upright and patting their back softly. This helps release trapped air and keeps your baby comfortable. Breastfeed your baby on demand, usually 8 to 12 times in 24 hours for newborns. Early hunger cues include lip smacking, sucking fingers, and restlessness. Crying is a late sign of hunger. Lastly, take care of yourself. Drink plenty of water, eat a balanced diet, and rest whenever possible. If you face ongoing pain, low milk supply, or latching issues, don't hesitate to consult a lactation expert or doctor. Breastfeeding is a beautiful bonding experience. Trust your body, trust your baby, and take it one feed at a time.